Mastering short answers in informal conversations. Hello learners! Today we're diving into an exciting topic in conversational English: short answers in informal situations. Short answers are not only time savers, but they also make our conversations flow more naturally. Let's dive right in. When we're in a casual setting, we often use short answers. This is because they are quick, direct, and they keep the conversation flowing. We commonly use short answers in response to yes, no questions, but they can also be used in response to WH questions. Who, what, where, when, why, how. Short answers typically consist of a subject and a helper verb. For example, Q, did you eat lunch? A, yes, I did. Q, are you going to the store? A, no, I'm not. However, in informal settings, we might shorten our answers even further. Q, did you eat lunch? A, yep. Q, are you going to the store? A, nah. Notice how yes, I did becomes yep, and no, I'm not becomes nah. This is what we're focusing on today. Let's dive into some examples. Here are a few common short answers you might hear in casual conversation. Q, is that your car? A, yep. Q, did they win the game? A, nah. Q, are you tired? A, kinda. Q, did he like the movie? A, dunno. Here, kinda means kind of or somewhat, and dunno is a contraction of I don't know. These informal answers help to maintain the casual nature of the conversation. Remember, context is key. You wouldn't want to use these two informal answers in a professional or formal setting. Now, let's practice. I will ask a question and then pause for a moment. Think about how you might answer it informally, then I'll share a possible answer. Let's go. Q, can you play the guitar? A bit. Q, is she coming to the party? A, dunno. Q, do you like broccoli? A, not really. Q, are we there yet? A, nearly. Practice these exercises until you feel comfortable with the informal short answers. That's it for today, folks. Remember, using short answers can make your English sound more natural in informal situations. But it's also crucial to judge when it's appropriate to use them. Keep practicing, and soon these short answers will become a natural part of your English conversations. Keep learning, keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next lesson.